Okay, we start.
Good. This is a Rubik's Cube from trains.
Yes?
Definite, Rivella, Max, Royal Clip, and CC. I can solve this cube in a minute, I think.
Right. We'll start now.
Alright. I'll start with the side from...
Rivella light?
No,
Well, you should better not try explain, alright?
Yes.
It's from better for camera.
I'll do the side from...
Yeah, better not try to explain. Because if you try to explain, you will get distracted. If you explain, you get distracted.
I have made the royal clip side, and now must I seek two corners in the right place.
Alright.
Why the easy tube is that simple. This cube is just very hard.
Yeah?
I can't see.
Take your time.
Got it. This is my method from the video from Friends of the Pocket Cube.
Yes.
This is that method.
Alright, show it a little more.
That's the
Each
max.
side.
That's the max.
Yes.
7-up, crystal clear, CC, Rivella, and Royal Club. Yes.
Alright, congratulations.
Thank you.
We stop around now.